Today's story is Benny the Little Bear Learns to Share. One sunny morning, Benny the Little Bear was packing his picnic basket. He put in honey, a strawberry cake, some yummy sandwiches, and juice. This is going to be the best picnic ever, Benny smiled. Along the way, Benny met his friends, Susie the squirrel, Harry the hedgehog, and Blue the bird. They sniffed the air and saw the delicious picnic treats. Benny sat alone with all his favorite foods, but something felt missing. It didn't taste as good without anyone to share it with. Then Benny had an idea. He ran back to find his friends. "Let's have a picnic together," he shouted. They all sat together, sharing smiles, stories, and snacks. Benny's heart felt full, and so did everyone else's. Sharing might mean having a little less for yourself, but it always fills your heart with more.